Welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to synchronize subtitles with videos in VLC Media Player. The timing of subtitles is adjusted to sync with the video's speech. The subtitles rendering can be normal or default, faster, or slower. Let's see how to sync subtitles with a video in VLC Player. This is a sample video with 5 seconds slower subtitles sync.
Masters. They were close friends. They were massacred alongside my.
On the menu bar, click Tools and select Track Synchronization. On the Synchronization tab, adjust time to sync subs.
What would you do, Stogar?
I would strike even farther.
You can also use shortcut keys to sync subtitles. Click Tools, Preferences. Go to the Hotkeys tab to identify shortcut keys.
Usul. And now, the Fedaykin is a fighter and needs a war name. You must choose.